Imagine a job in which you are not just crunching the numbers, you are not turning the papers just for the sake of doing it, but you are transforming life. You are actually working for the backbone of the Indian economy, that is agriculture, that is the rural areas where more than 50% of the India lives. This sounds like a dream job. Well, that exactly is NABARD Grade A officer. Hello everyone, welcome to iExamBee for making your job preparation 50% faster. I am Chandra Prakash Joshi. Though I graduated in agriculture but didn't get an opportunity to work with NABARD. When I joined RBI, people asked me why you are in RBI, why not in NABARD, but I had no option. But I am telling you the twist here, when everyone is busy for preparing for RBI, for SEBI, for IRDA, there is a dark horse here, a dark horse of the government job where the perks are there of the tier 1 government job, and the impact is direct impact on the social life, on the economy of the country, not on paper, but you will witness it, you will be a part of it while you are on the field. Let's go deep into the career. I am going to tell you all about the career, about the job profile, transfers, promotions, rural posting, salary, perks and benefits, and most importantly, the job satisfaction. NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. When it comes to the real grassroots impact, this is the organization which is financing the backbone of the Indian economy. एग्रीकल्चर आज की डेट में 15% 16% कंट्रीब्यूट करता है जीडीपी में, लेकिन आज भी 45% ऑफ द इंडियन पॉपुलेशन इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन एग्रीकल्चर. रूरल इकोनॉमी केवल एग्रीकल्चर पर डिपेंडेंट नहीं है. रूरल इकोनॉमी हैज बिकम वेरी वास्ट व्हेन इट कम्स टू गुड मॉनसून. Good monsoon also impact the sale of cars, sale of mobile, sales of any FMCG company. Think about it. In RBI, you are busy in monetary policy or you are busy in supervisions. In SEBI, the glamour is about the stock market or about the frauds happening in the capital market. But here in NABARD, where you are directly in touch with the farming community, where you are working with the rural institutions, empowering farmers, building rural infrastructure, eliminating poverty, that often not coming to the limelight. लेकिन फर्क क्या पड़ता है, अपने को अपने काम का इम्पैक्ट दिख रहा होता है. आई विल शेयर सम ऑफ माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस वेयर आई वॉज डायरेक्टली वर्किंग विद द NABARD ऑफिशियल्स. SLBC स्टेट लेवल बैंकर्स कमेटी का नाम आपने सुना होगा. लीड बैंक स्कीम के बारे में आपने शायद थोड़ा सुना होगा कि इन एवरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट देयर इज ए लीड बैंक विच एक्चुअली कोऑर्डिनेट ऑल द डेवलपमेंट एफर्ट फ्रॉम द बैंकिंग सेक्टर. And at this district level, there is a committee called District Credit Committee or District Level Review Committee, which is headed by the DM, District Magistrate, or District Collector we call in some of the states. तो इनके साथ में the right hand of the District Collector for all financial matters of the district, which are these developmental efforts through the financing, is done by the NABARD official called DDM. So NABARD DDM, he is actually the person who is coordinating and he is preparing a credit plan for the district. तो पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कहाँ किधर कितनी फाइनेंसिंग की जाएगी बैंकों द्वारा, एंड दिस इज रिव्यूड पीरियडिकली. जो डीसीसी की मीटिंग होती है, तो आई वॉज रिप्रेजेंटिंग आरबीआई इन दैट मीटिंग एंड आई कुड सी द ग्रिप ऑफ द NABARD ऑफिशियल देयर. मतलब डीएम को अगर कुछ समझना है, कुछ पूछना है, तो ही विल लुक टुवर्ड्स द NABARD पर्सन बिकॉज ही इज ऑल्सो बेस्ड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. वर्किंग इन NABARD, you will get that opportunity maybe 4-5 years in your career. But I am telling you, in your entire career, those will be the most memorable years where you may have directly touched not hundreds, not thousands, maybe lakhs of lives by doing these credit interventions. Let me be very honest, how many jobs will give you this kind of satisfaction? Sometimes a small watershed project that you finance being in NABARD or promoted some self-help group promoting institutions change the life of few hundred women in that district. And it is not only few hundred women, because if you change the life of a woman, the entire family, the next generations are getting affected. Therefore, this is not only a finance job, it is a finance job where you will see the direct impact as you grow in the career. You will join as a grade A officer. The opportunity of working in the field will come at grade B, grade C level, where you will be posted as a DDM. May not every one of you is getting that, but overall working with NABARD, you are always in connect with the rural and agriculture sector. You will grow in your career to manager, assistant general manager, then DGM, deputy general manager, chief general manager. Many of you will reach up to that level, and some of you will become executive director also. There is no bar that you can't become the CMD of NABARD. That is the highest level of post, but that is appointed by the government of India. You can expect going to a level of chief general manager or executive director if you join very early. Pay, perks, benefits, salaries at the grade are same whether it is RBI, NABARD, SEBI, IRDA. At grade A level, you will get a cash of about lakh rupees per month, and if you include all the facilities, perks you are getting, it will be closer to 1.5 lakh rupees per month you will be getting. I am not going to the detail. ऑल काइंड ऑफ अलाउंस, चाहे वो फर्निशिंग का हो, चाहे वो स्पेक्टिकल्स का हो, चाहे वो कंप्यूटर का हो, मोबाइल का हो, लीव ट्रेवल कंसेशन फैसिलिटी हो, हाँ, पेट्रोल अलाउंस, इंटरनेट अलाउंस सेम होता है. मैं अगर आपको एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूं, आई वॉज इन NABARD, मीन्स आई वॉज ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ RBI डूइंग द इंस्पेक्शन ऑफ NABARD ऑफिशियल्स ने हमको आके बताया कि अगले सेटलमेंट में ये फैसिलिटी मिलने वाली है, आपको पता नहीं है. हमने बोला नहीं, हमें पता नहीं है, और खुद बोलते हैं कि पहले आपके यहाँ आएगी फिर हमारे यहाँ आ जाएगी. बट दीज आर रिमेनिंग सेम इन ऑल दीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस बिकॉज अर्लियर NABARD वॉज ए पार्ट ऑफ RBI. If you go to the history, in 1982 NABARD was created, taking function of RBI about the rural financing and also taking up the function from ARDC. उसका फुल फॉर्म क्या है वो याद कर लेना है आपको, और गूगल करके याद करना है. This may be asked in the exam. Now let me address the elephant in the room, that is the rural posting. Many of you think it is a punishment. Is it really? You will say your friends in RBI, SEBI, they will always be in metro dealing with traffic jam, dealing with pollution also, and you will be lucky to breathe fresh air, working in serene surroundings and making a real difference. And as I told you, this is going to be the opportunity only for few of you. If you get posted at a DDM, at a district headquarter level, you will be posted maybe 4-5 years only in your career. So this is an opportunity, and I have told you already, this you are going to remember your lifelong. Think about it. It is much more than spending your entire career sitting in a cubicle or then in cabin, while on the other hand you are working in rural areas, sleeping peacefully, making the real difference in the real world. If you want to compare the job of say RBI, SEBI, NABARD, IRDA, SIDBI, it is very difficult to compare. I always say it is more like comparing pizza and rasgulla, which is tastier. It depends on two things. First, what do you personally like? And most importantly, what you get. As I said in my case, I am not sure what would I have chosen if I had both the opportunity, but I had not. I got selected only in RBI. When it comes to the work pressure in NABARD is definitely moderate. Some of those who are working in NABARD, maybe after my life, if I say, I personally feel it is lesser than RBI. SEBI, it is definitely higher because of the so many things happening in the capital market. NABARD, you will have lot of time for yourself. I have never seen anyone complaining about work pressure in NABARD. There is a very supportive, professional work culture. And about the finance part, if you want to become a finance professional, so NABARD opportunity is much better than the RBI opportunity, because RBI is more on the policy making at the national level about the currency management, about banking supervision, about the monetary policy, about forex management. But here NABARD working at the grassroots level, banks and other financial institutions, is directly into the project management, credit appraisal, post-sanction supervisions, working in coordination also with the state government and central governments for various initiatives of rural and agriculture development. Transfers are part of job, so therefore in NABARD also every 4, 5 years, 6 years, depending on when you get the promotion, you will get a transfer, but you are then going to be in metro cities, state headquarters. NABARD provides you all the facilities for housing, for transport. In all these jobs, actually, I have always seen that every transfer is an opportunity to live in a new place, to learn new things, to eat new food, travel to the new areas, understand sometimes good languages also. Lot of experience of the diversity of our country. You get it by the transfers at all India level. Life में थोड़ा spice तो बनता ही है. When I was in Hyderabad, I have also started eating a little bit of rice with gunpowder. It was all fun. So guys, if you are interested, if you feel that you want to make your career in the development sector. And I must repeat that it does not require you to have any education background in the field of agriculture or rural areas. Anyone can apply for this job if you want to be a development professional. If I tell you at the top level, World Bank, Asian Development Bank are development organizations, unlike IMF. So IMF is more like financial stability, but World Bank and ADB kind of organizations are doing developmental work. If you want to make your career in the field of development in India, NABARD is the organization, the apex bank for agriculture and rural development. You have any question now about your career at NABARD, please ask me in the comment. I will be happy to answer. And if you feel this video has some utility for you or any of your friend, please share this, like this, and subscribe to the channel. I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching the video.